Hey guys, in this very quick video, I'm just going to share with you important alternatives that you have to be aware of comparing to Notability. So the free alternatives. So the good notes is the first one. This is like the most popular one as an alternative, only because you have pros as a truly usable free tier, audio sync, cross-platform, excellent handwriting, one-time purchase option, family sharing, and not only that, you get like free notebooks, full handwriting tools. Also, you got shape detection, customizable colors, and many other things. So with good notes, it's good. And what are the cons? Is that you have the free notebook limit. And let's just see if it's like free right here, up to 3 files as you can see. And then you have like free version. Subscription to full feature. This is another thing. Or no math conversion on a free tier, and handwriting recognition requires upgrade. So primarily this is the good notes. These are the first alternative to it that you can like check out. So if you can work out of like free files, maybe it could be like beneficial. Another one are like called like free notes. Free notes, this is another one that you can actually like check out for yourself. Maybe you will like it too. You got handwriting focus, 100 plus templates, PDF annotation, also layers, custom brushes, dark mode, split screen. So it's free, clean for interface layers, good for students, but you don't have audio recording. It's Apple only, smaller community, less polished. But still, it's kind of like very good tool, and that's like another one for you to check out. Maybe you will like it. And also like very important, and then also good, like Microsoft OneNote. So this is like another one that you can actually like check out and use. Maybe you're going to find it beneficial. True cross-platform, infinite canvas, Microsoft integration, powerful organization, cloud storage. Now the cons is that you cannot write while recording audio on iPad. Audio not sync to notes, limited pen types, no transcript, and can feel cluttered and sync issues. So check this out. Maybe it's going to be beneficial. And thank you very much for watching.